Hey, my name is Juan Diego, and I'm an editor. Video and audio editing has been a passion of mine for a long time. I've always enjoyed working behind the scenes, making the magic happen, and turning projects into masterpieces. I'll now show you some of my work, consisting of sizzle reels, promos, audio creation and editing, and some motion graphics work as well. Please enjoy!
White folks and they pay you for it, it's not the right.
After all, you made it through Monday, why not be rewarded with a delicious meal on Tuesday? Tacos are enjoyed by over 99% of the population, they have been proven to reduce the urge to commit violent crime by 82%, and with hundreds of hungry Californians visiting their neighborhood restaurants weekly. I hope you enjoyed that. I look forward to continuing my editing journey, and I would love to work with you. If you're interested in working with me, please shoot me an email at jnavarroediting@gmail.com. And check out my website at juandiegonavarro.xyz. Both links are in my bio. All the clips featured in this video and more are available on my channel. Please take a look. Thank you for watching.